Hello there! Whether you are a content creator or you'd like to become an affiliate marketer or you just need software that converts the text to speech, WellSaid Labs might be a good option for you. And in today's video, we will be exploring the WellSaid Labs free version, what are the features and how you can leverage this tool. What is actually great about the WellSaid Labs is you can check the voice right at their homepage, which is great. For example, let's say
Squareblock is your go-to for creating campaigns that convert. Use the code SUMMER to get 20% off.
Not bad. To take the full advantage of their free trial, let me show you how you can sign up for the WellSaid Labs. You just go to try for free. You fill out your first name, your last name, your email, and type your password. Do you work with an organization with more than 50 people? It depends. I'm not, so just let's create the account. And soon there will be a short survey. But before we can proceed further, we need to check our email to complete the verification. So here is the email, verify email, and we can choose our plan directly. For the purpose of the WellSaid Labs free version, we just go try for free. And here we need to agree with their terms. And here's the short survey. Are you an individual or a team? Let's click continue. What's your role? Let's say personal user, continue. What's the industry? Let's say education, continue. Primary use, videos, continue. And whether we are interested in an API. So far we can say no thank you. And at the end of the video, I will explain what the API means, and actually I will let the WellSaid Labs talk about the API, and it will be explained using the voice we will pick. So in this case, let's continue. We need to select no thank you and now continue, and we can get started. So this is our dashboard where we have the project, studio, voices, pronunciation, resources, the API, integrations, and overview about your account. We can check voices right away. Let's go to all of them. You see that you can either explore the voices, you can select all of them. Here you have a filter where you can select the narration, whether you want to have it a promo tone, conversational tone. You can select the accent, let's say Ireland, and we see that there are two voices using Irish English.
In the following essay, I will demonstrate why Pierce Brosnan was the best James Bond.
We can deselect it and we have all available voices right here. So these are the voices that you will pick up once you start with the project. So to have the voice ready, you just go to projects and select a new project. You can name the project testing, explaining the API, current version, and let's create the project. Let's pick one voice. Let's say I want to have a Patrick with the American accent. We can check the narration, whether it will be conversational, and you go to the three dots and select this voice. And here is the section where you can type your text, or you can paste it from, let's say, ChatGPT or a different platform that you've been using. And for our purpose, let's have a Patrick to talk about the API. Just paste the text. We see it's 940 characters. We can have the entire text as a one audio file, or we can have more files and we can divide it by paragraph or by sentence. For this purpose, let's keep it in one audio file. For that manner, let's just create a single take. Preparing. Let's hear what Patrick has to say about the API.
An API, Application Programming Interface, is a set of tools and protocols that allows different software applications to communicate with each other. In the context of WellSaid Labs, their API would enable you to integrate their voice technology directly into your own applications or systems. For example, if you have a website or a software application where you want to use WellSaid Labs' voice synthesis capabilities, you could use their API to connect their voice technology with your system. This means you could automate the process of generating voiceovers or incorporate their services into your existing tools without needing to manually use the WellSaid Labs platform each time. In short, if you're planning to use WellSaid Labs technology within other applications or want to automate content creation, the API option would be useful. If you're just starting out and only need basic features, you might not need it right away.
So what do you think? You can now download the file, you can change the narration, you can replace the pronunciation, you can also choose a different voice if you don't like Patrick. For additional information, you can go to the resources where you find tutorials and also a help center. For the sake of this video, we won't go too much in depth. I just wanted to show you how to sign up with the WellSaid Labs and how to pick the voice and how to create the audio. When you go to your account, you see the overview that you are on a trial subscription. The trial period ends in 7 days. How many days are left, how many clips are left, how many projects are left. And if you're interested to upgrade, you can just go to upgrade now and you see the options. Does the sound or the audio sound realistic to you? Would you be using the WellSaid Labs? I have also created a video about the different platform called 11 Labs, and you can compare it and decide for yourself. So the best approach would be to try these different platforms, try their free versions, and decide which one you prefer the most. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you and see you in the next video.